skills. Now in this exercise today, we're going to apply some of these skills to some practical situations. In other words, basically we have some word problems here that we want to be able to use our algebra to help us with. So there's no notes or anything to go through here. We're going to jump straight into the examples. So example number 1, write an expression for the following situations. So for A, we want the total cost of K bottles if each bottle costs $4. Well, if we were just going to buy one bottle, it would cost us $4. If we're going to buy 2 bottles, we'd go 4 times 2. So if we keep that logic going, if we wanted K bottles, we would go 4 times K, however many K is. Now in algebra, we don't tend to write the multiply sign, do we? For 4 times K, we would simply write 4K for our expression. Part B, the area of a rectangle, if its breadth is 2 centimeters more than its length, and its length is X centimeters. So here is a rectangle. Okay, it says that the breadth is 2 centimeters more than the length, and the length is X. So I'm going to call this length here X. The breadth is 2 centimeters more than X. If it's 2 centimeters more, that means I have to add that on to the X. So this side is going to be X plus 2. It's 2 centimeters more than the length. Okay, now I'm asked to find the area of the rectangle. Now the area of a rectangle can be found by multiplying the base times the height. Now the base of this rectangle is the X, and the height is the X plus 2. Now because there's 2 terms in that side length there, I'm going to need to put that into brackets. So X bracket X plus 2 is how we would write it to multiply those two things together. We could of course expand that out, but we don't need to unless we're asked to. Part C, the total cost of hiring a plumber for N hours if he charges a $40 call out fee and $70 per hour. Okay, so he charges $40 straight away just to be called out to your house. So that's $40. Plus, you have to pay $70 for every hour. And we're saying that N is the number of hours. So that means we go 70 times by N, or 70N. Okay, question 2. Tamir notes that whenever he hires an electrician, they charge a call-out fee of F dollars and an hourly rate of H dollars per hour. Write an expression for the cost of hiring an electrician for 1 hour. Okay, so this is similar to part C in the last question that we did. So there's a call-out fee, which is F. So we have to start by paying F dollars. Then we're going to add on to that H dollars for every hour. Now it says it's only 1 hour, so we only need 1 H. Now we know we don't need to write a 1 if it's next to a H. We can just write H. So F plus H. Part B, write an expression for the cost of hiring an electrician for 2 hours. So we have the same call out fee, which is F. Then we want 2 hours, so we want 2 lots of H. Part C, write an expression for the cost of hiring an electrician for 30 minutes. So the same call out fee. Now we can't have 30 minutes, we don't want to go 30 H. That would look like 30 hours. We only have 30 minutes. So we want to change 30 minutes into hours. 30 minutes is half an hour. So I could say that that is half of H. So my call out fee plus half of an hour, half times H. And part D, how much does it cost to hire an electrician for T hours? Well, if we follow the pattern from the last 3 sections, we have our call out fee, and then we just need the number of hours, which in this case is going to be T, that we multiply by the H. Try to make sure that your T has a curly bottom so that it doesn't look like a plus sign. Okay, that's it.